October dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our love apps. In this video I will show you from where you can take this add your sticker right here and how you can do it. So keep on watching. First of all, we will have to go to our search bar from the bottom of the screen from our Instagram app and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile, you'll have to go to October add yours at highlights. If you go to my story, then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go here at October add yours at highlights. So click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker. It's at the end. So now you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, you can go to the description box below, and there you will find a video, a tutorial on how you can fix this problem. And also, if you have trouble with the highlights not loading, then you can also go to the description box below, and there you will find a video that will help you with this problem. So now we just have to go to our uploads and choose our first photo for our October dump. So first I will go with this photo. Now you can place it where you want, make it bigger or smaller by using your two fingers, like you would zoom in and zoom out a picture. Then to add another photo, we will have to click here at the top of the screen at stickers, scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery, and you can choose your second photo. After you add that, you can go once again here to stickers, click on the plus icon, and you can add your third photo, your fourth photo, and so on. You can add as many as you like. But I will leave it just like this. And to bring the stickers to the top, you just have to click on it. And once you are happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here. So guys, if this video was helpful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.